Hello, teacher. Hi.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. I can
Okay.
hear.
Good evening, Tam.
Good evening, teacher.
Okay, how are you, Tam?
I'm happy and funny.
I'm happy and
Funny.
I'm happy. Okay, what did you do today?
I do exercise. I do exercise. I do exercise and ride a bike with my younger brother.
Oh, I do exercise and ride a bike with my younger brother.
Yes.
Okay, so Tam, you don't have school?
Today I don't go to school
Because
because he
is it your vacation?
is not to school but he
Is it your vacation? Summer vacation?
because mm,
You don't have school because is it a summer vacation?
yes.
Oh, when will you get back to school?
Yes.
Okay. How long is your vacation or your holiday?
Um, 3 months. Three
Oh,
months.
3 months. So since
Yes.
today is May, June, July, August. Oh, September. You will.
September I go to school. September
Okay.
I go to school.
So you have a lot of time playing.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So
Yes.
next school year or next school, what grade are you?
Great.
Grade?
And great and happy.
Okay. So can we start?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready, Tam?
I am ready.
Okay. So here, can you see the screen?
I can see picture.
Okay. So before we go to our next topic or next lesson, we will first review our lesson last time.
Yes.
Okay. So I have
Okay.
here a word.
Singular and plural.
Yes, singular and plural. I have here a
Yes.
singular noun. Singular noun.
Plural.
Can you read?
Yes.
Can you read the singular words?
Singular is bat with party.
Very good. Very good, Sam. So
Thank you, teacher.
we will
Um,
learn and we will
bats.
tell what is
Bats.
their plural form. So that is
Bat
bad.
is bats.
Yes. Wish.
Wishes. Wishes.
Wishes. Very good. Party.
Parties.
So
Parties.
what would be the spelling?
Parties. R
A
R T E I S
I E S.
I E
Okay.
S.
Very good. So, can you read again? Bat,
Yes, I can read.
start.
Yes. Bat, bat, with this, party.
Okay. Can you say it? Wish,
Wish,
wishes.
wishes,
Very good. Party,
party,
parties,
party,
parties.
parties.
Very good. So, you already know how to say or how to tell if it is singular and plural. Next, we
Yes,
have another exercise.
yes.
We have a set.
I
We have a sentence
I
that you will
have
tell me.
a wish.
You will tell me, or you will between two what's best for the sentence. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Let's start with the first sentence. I
I have
I
a wish. I have a wish for you.
your answer is
Green. No
will.
ES.
Okay, so we will raise that
No
one.
ES.
Okay. Second word, second sentence.
What is your favorite color? No S.
No S.
Yes. No S.
Okay. Next.
I have 5 books in my bag. Yes, F. Yes.
With S.
Have F. F
Oh,
with S. With S.
okay. So we will check. So your answer
Yes.
for number 1 is correct.
I have a wish. No
Okay.
wishes.
Number 2 is also correct. And number 3 is can you read again with the
Yes.
with the noun?
What your favorite color? What your favorite
No. The first sentence. First sentence.
Yes.
Okay, can you read?
I have.
Sentence? Okay. You may continue.
Okay. Yes.
I have.
I have 5 books in my bag.
Very good. Good job, Tom. You already know
Thank you, teacher.
the how to
Thank you, teacher.
identify.
I have 5 books in my bag.
Very good. Since you already know, we will go to the next exercise here. The last time we are
Okay.
done with this one, with this exercise, we'll go to the next page. So this one. Can you see?
I can see.
Okay. So before we go to the next to this exercise, we will first read this one again.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, can you read?
Yes.
You
I
may
can
start.
read. Babies, rice, stations, knives,
This one?
rain,
This one?
countable
Yes.
nouns that can be counted. It has singular and a plural form. Example, apple, 2 apples. Uncountable nouns that cannot be counted. It has only a singular form. Example, money, rice.
Okay, great job. So what you can see when we say countable nouns, when we say countable nouns, we have a singular
Yes. Hmm.
Noun. Wait a minute.
Uncountable nouns.
Uncountable noun. It only,
Now that cannot be counted.
it only has a singular
Singular,
form.
singular and a plural form.
Yes, when we say countable, we have singular and plural form. But when we say
Yes.
uncountable nouns, we only have singular.
Uncountable nouns. Singular form.
Yes. We have apple, the singular, and the is apples.
Yes.
Yes.
Is plural is apples.
Since apple is not, yes,
Apples.
yes,
Yes.
count
Yes.
apple.
Plural is apples.
We can count apple.
Apples.
We can count apple.
Plural form is 2 apples.
Can we count apples?
Yes.
Yes,
Of course.
we can count. So here in uncountable nouns, we only have, or we only has a singular
And
form.
only have singular form.
Yes. For example, money, we don't say monies, only money.
No monies.
Yes.
No money with S.
Yes. Only singular.
Yes.
Another example is rice. We cannot say rices or rice. Yes.
Rice. No S.
Yes. Always no S. When we have a,
Yes.
okay, take note, when we have uncountable nouns,
Countable nouns.
they don't have a plural form.
Yes.
They don't have a plural form, only singular.
Yes. Money and rice.
But we have,
But
when we have a countable nouns, we have a singular and we have a plural.
yes.
Yes. Okay, I will ask you again.
Yes.
Sam,
Countable.
I will ask you,
Countable
Sam.
nouns.
I will ask you if we have, if we
have.
okay, I will ask you if we have a countable nouns, what do we have? We have a singular.
Uncountable now. It has one only. One only a singular form.
Okay, very good. When we say countable nouns, we have
Countable now it has one singular and a plural form.
very good. Good job, good job. Very good, Sam.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay,
Thank you, teacher.
you're welcome. So since you already know that when we say countable nouns, we have a singular and a plural. When we say countable, uncountable, I mean uncountable nouns, we only have singular. Okay, so can we have this exercise? So can you read the instruction or the direction? Number 3. 3, right? Number, I mean this one.
Right.
3, right?
3 rice. 3 right. 3 right.
3, right, the plural. This
3
one can,
right is plural.
this one, can you read this one? Can you see it?
I can see.
Okay, right. Can you read for me? Write the plural form.
Yes.
Okay.
Where the plural form? Yes.
Okay, write the plural form if the noun is countable.
Right. It's right.
Okay.
Right. Rice not countable. Is not countable.
Okay. So we have here example. Baby is countable or uncountable?
Baby is countable.
So we have a plural. Yes.
Yes,
Oh,
babies.
babies. Very good. Rice. Rice is countable or uncountable?
Rice is uncountable.
Oh, we don't have plural.
Yes, have plural. No, no with S.
So we only have rice.
Have rice.
Rice only. Yes.
Only one.
Yes,
Only
rice.
one. Yeah, it's rice.
Okay, rice.
Rice.
Okay,
Rice.
okay, again. So the direction is write the plural form if the noun is countable. So we will only write the plural form of the countable noun.
Rice is uncountable nouns.
Yes.
It's
Countable.
only countable. It has only one or singular form.
Yes. Very good. So for example, this one, baby.
Baby.
Baby is countable or uncountable?
Baby is countable nouns.
Very good. So we have a plural, yes?
Yes.
Okay,
No,
what is
it's singular. It's
singular?
singular.
Singular is the baby. What is the plural form of baby?
Plural from baby is babies.
Very good. Babies. Here is the answer. So next, here the word rice. Rice is
Rice. Rice is uncountable noun.
when we say uncountable nouns, we
Yes.
only have the singular form. Yes?
Is singular, yes.
Yes. So we don't have plural, so we will leave it blank.
Rice, no with S.
Yes. So we will not put the answer because rice is
First, rice
singular.
is uncountable noun.
Yes. So since the direction is we will put plural form if noun is countable.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So let's
Yes.
proceed with number 1. Can we start with number 1?
Number one, station is
Okay.
countable nouns. Plural is stations.
Okay, station. So we will put
Stations.
your answer here so that we can
With
read
S. With S.
later your answer. Here. Your answer is station. Stations with S.
Station.
Station. Okay.
With S. With S.
S. This one? Yes. Okay, let's move on to number 2. Knife.
Knife with VES.
So, knife is?
Knife with VES.
So, knife is
Knife
countable.
VES. Knife is countable nouns. With VES. Is plural is with VES.
Okay, so we have
VES.
okay, very good. Next, number 3.
Is number 3 is
Countable or
rain
it's
is
countable?
uncountable nouns.
Okay, since it is uncountable now, we will leave it blank.
No, with S.
Yes. We will leave the answer, the number 3 blank since it don't have a plural.
Don't have plural.
Yes. So next we will proceed to number 4.
Number 4 is party. Parties.
Party.
Plural is parties. With IES.
We will have number 4.
Number 4, parties with IES.
Yes. Parties. Okay, we will have, don't have
Yes.
the number 2, you don't. Okay. Next is
4.
4. Money.
Money is a uncountable noun. Plural is no with S.
Very good. So we will leave it blank since it is uncountable. Let's proceed to number 6.
Plural, number 6 is dresses.
Dresses.
Dresses with ES. With ES. Plural with ES.
Very good. Next.
Because E countable noun.
Very good. 7.
Picture is countable nouns.
Do you know petrol? Do you know what petrol is?
Countable noun.
Do you know what petrol is? Yes, no.
Is
Petrol is.
Wait a minute. Wait.
Bạn có biết xăng là gì không?
You don't know.
is uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns.
Uncountable
It's
because
uncountable nouns.
we cannot count
Uncountable
petrol.
nouns.
Yes.
Uncountable nouns.
So
Yes, uncountable nouns.
very good. Next, number 8.
Yes, number 8.
Person.
Person is countable nouns. The plural is people.
Very good. People.
People.
Very good. Next, number 9.
9 is office. Office.
Advice. Advice.
Advice.
Very good.
Advice is countable nouns.
Bạn có biết lời khuyên là gì không?
Is uncountable nouns.
Yes, very good.
Uncountable noun.
Yes, we cannot
Uncountable noun.
count advice.
It's uncountable nouns.
Very good. So we will leave it
Advice
blank.
is uncountable nouns.
Very good. We will leave it
Advice
blank.
is uncountable nouns.
Let's have number 10.
No. Number 10 is the truth is singular. Truth is uncountable nouns. Plural is teeth.
Teeth. Very good. We'll have
Plural is teeth.
teeth.
Have teeth.
Teeth. Okay, next number 11.
Yeah. Number 11, education. Education is uncountable nouns.
Very good. So number 12.
Number 12 is child. Child is countable nouns. Plural is children. Child
Very
is countable noun. Plural is children.
Children. Good job. Let's have the next number.
Journey is uncountable nouns.
Uncountable.
30 is runny is uncountable nouns.
Because
Because is
I think it is countable.
I think is uncountable nouns.
It is. So the correct answer is countable since we can count journey.
I think it is uncountable nouns.
Okay. Your answer is uncountable, but the correct answer is countable. So what do you think is the plural of
Countable.
yes? What is the plural of journey?
Plural of journey is journeys.
Journeys. Very good.
Journeys.
The last number 14.
Is countable nouns.
So it
Is countable nouns.
can we count
Countable
electricity?
nouns.
Can we
I
count
think countable noun.
Can we count electricity? What would be the plural?
Yes, plural is electricities.
Okay, so the correct answer is it is uncountable nouns.
Is uncountable nouns.
Yes, since we cannot count electricity.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
so we will leave it blank. Okay, so here
Yes.
we will read your answer.
Here.
Okay, can you read number 1? Can you read the word, the first word, stations, have up to journey? Okay, can you read the station up to journeys? Stations.
Journey is journeys.
Okay, can you read your answers? Stations, knives. You may start. Stations.
Stations. Journeys.
Okay, great job, Sam.
Thank
You
you,
did a
teacher.
great job. Okay, I think we are time. So that's all for our lesson for today, Sam. So thank you for listening and thank you for participating well today or tonight.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, before we end, can we take a photo?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you, Tam. Good night, Tam.
Thank you, teacher.
Goodbye,
Good
Tam.
night, teacher.
I see you
Good
again.
night, teacher. See you again. See you again on Sunday. Goodbye.